guys, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be system test 30, I believe. A lot of system tests to get here. So, let's start off with the first pull station, which is my Notifier NBG12LX converted to an L, as you can see. That's weird, okay. We have the junction box, we have my Mircom, remote horn, but let's follow this wire to the 2151, which is all the way up there now. We have my unmarked white advanced remote strobe. So if we go into here, we have a P2R, and we have this wired as more of a local alarm now, so this will be the only piezo going. It's on a supervisory, so that should be fun. And we have a Firelite BG12. 425120, Specteralert classic remote horn, pre-integrity remote, or as a remote strobe. And the same Genesis, which kind of looks weird. Alright. So, I think we're going to pull the new pull station to the system. So, let's do this thing. 3, 2, 1. Alright, yeah, so I really like that I have a BG12L at this point, so yeah, so this was addressable, but it's clearly conventional now because it works on my conventional fire system. Let's go up and test magnet test the system sensor 2151. I like how it looks up there. Alright, let's go out to the 425120. Actually, this is going to be a part of the thumbnail, I think. Alright, finally, we're going to go to the Firelite BG12. Let's do this thing. Yeah, just a BG12. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I think that's everything. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, peace.